It's been my goal to get as many generations of Mustang lights built, and this is a classic set that I've been wanting to build for a while. These only came out a couple years ago, and I'm glad I finally got to get my hands on a set, and I think they came out looking really, really good. To me, the best part about them is that they have their own individual brake lights, so you can still run the color shifting lights, but have an extra bright brake light, which is always a problem with color shifting addressable LEDs. And if you know how to work the Blue Ghost app, you can really get some crazy settings going. Like, look at this side where the setting starts here, it flows all the way through as opposed to this side. We have this side set up as 3 individual halos, and we set the offset and the direction from right here, and it flows out that way. This one is just set up your normal strip with all of the pixels set up, but I think this looks really cool.